Right viewers, we're starting the corned beef hash. Relic's corned beef hash. And just 2 large onions, roughly chopped. We've done the roasted, so just drizzle a bit of oil over there and cook them up until they're translucent, see-through, opaque. You'll see them change colour. I'm just going to gently fry them through. And then I'll add the vegetables. So just fry these up now. Get them cooking. And we'll have some fun with this. Okay, so this is the start of the corned beef hash. 2 large onions. I'm just going to sprinkle, break up 2 oxo cubes. And I'm going to make a pint of beef stock. Onions are cooking nicely now, so just put roughly a pint of water in here, and yeah, it's a bit of pint now. Little whisk, another little friend of mine in the kitchen. Use it for hot sauce, mainly eggs, but it's good for stirring things up like this. So I'm happy with that now. Roughly, yeah, it's just over a pint now, but I'm probably going to add some more water anyway. What I'm going to do now is just add my carrots, my celery and my potatoes. Okay, so that we diced earlier, which you saw with my friendly dicer. Oh yeah, oh baby. Okay, I'm going to mix now. Right, what I'm looking for now is I want to cover the vegetables with water. I'm going to bring these to the boil, and then we're going to add some more fancy ingredients like corned beef maybe. Yeah. Get along the level of water just to come above the veg that I've put in. So what we've got in here up to now is onions, potatoes, celery, carrots and a bit of beef stock. That's lovely, that. Very happy with that. So, what we're going to do now is a little bit of salt and pepper there. Do-do-do, ba-da-ba-da-bum-bum-bum. Yeah, bit of salt for luck. Lid on that now, bring it to the boil, and then we'll move on to the next step. Lovely jubbly. Right viewers, so what you can see on that chopping board there is 1 tin of corned beef. Now then, to make it easier to chop and slice, I always put mine in the fridge. I've always got a tin of corned beef in the fridge because slicing for sandwiches or chopping up for a corned beef hash is much easier to handle. It was very soft when it's warm. So I'm just going to whiz this in the pan. You can watch me do this if you want. Yeah. Okay, so doing that. The veg it smells amazing. The veg on its own just smells fantastic. So I'm happy with that. Now then, you need some measures, guys. I've got a full set of these cups, tablespoons, half a tablespoon, teaspoon, whatever. You need some measures because what I'm going to do now is basically just to put a bit of fire in this now. I'm just going to put half a level teaspoon of ground white pepper in there. And that just gives it a bit of a kick. The other thing I want to give now, my magic ingredient, now this is going to give it away, Cassie. I told Cassie to keep stirring it because she could never get hers like mine, but I put brown sauce in and never told her. So, what we're going to do is get the brown sauce going. You see this? Okay, brown sauce just gives it another bit of depth. Okay, just have a look. Get it in there. Get it in there. Get it out. Okay, I'm happy with that. Just to give it a bit of colour, here we go. It's a bit of tomato ketchup too. Okay. One for the boys. Okay. Just need to stress, guys, when you're putting lids on and off pans, make sure you use some oven gloves. Okay. They're not expensive. Burnt fingers are. There you go. Okay, so I'm just going to boil that down. I'm going to boil that now for about 2 hours. In fact, give it a stir. Give it a stir. Give it a mix. Okay. I'm just going to cook all that in now for about 2 hours. And it'll be absolutely fantastic. You can serve this on its own. Crusty bread's good. Or you can even boil it down and make pies or pasties, which I'm going to do at some point. Okay guys, that's how to make Relic's corned beef hash. It smells amazing already. Okay guys, I'm sure you can see the onion, mushrooms. I've got some spare mushrooms in my fridge and I don't intend using them. So I am going to waz them in the pan, okay? You can watch them. Oops, forward. We'll waz them in the pan, okay? So any spare vegetables that you've got, you can get them in there. Any like celery, carrots, you know, parsnips, celery, so whatever floats your boat. So that's me. Mushrooms in the pan. I don't like, in fact I don't throw food away. Food never goes off in my flat. So I throw it in everything. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to give the mushrooms a bit of a stir. Okay. Oh, it smells amazing, man. It smells absolutely amazing. Okay. Relic's corned beef hash. Blokey style. The lid on that. You notice, guys, oven glove. Don't forget to use your oven glove. Okay. Yeah. Right, viewers, I've boiled that for about an hour with the lid on. I'm going to reduce it now. So. Just put some frozen peas in, a cupful of frozen peas, and I'll put 2 in. Just have 2 bulky out. Smells amazing. Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, I'm going to reduce this corned beef hash on a very low light for about 2 hours. Very low light. Keep stirring it. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, but it thickens it up lovely if you're making pies or pasties.
I just think it needs something else. So. Tomato puree, that should give it some more depth. Right. So I've reduced this now. I'm sure you can see that's what it was. So it's down to there now. So I would say percentage wise about 20% now it's reduced. And for the thick blocks that don't understand, when someone starts reducing, you're just cooking it until the liquid's evaporated. So it's like it actually reduces in bulk, sort of. But basically you're just trying to get rid of some of the excess liquid. That's the Blokey terms, I think. When someone says let's reduce it, they're cooking it down, and gets a bit thicker as well. Some people put corn flour in to thicken things up, but this is good stuff now. I've had a taste of this and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can serve this with crusty bread with butter on. That's good. That is so good. Okay, it does take a bit of time, guys, but for single people, you might get 6 or 7, even 8 portions out of this. You know, 8 meals, what, for about 6 or 7 quid. You can.